Let's create our first report. Using visualization, let's create our first chart. Let's take first table. I just need to click from in table. It will create a one icon of table here. In table, I can add a multiple value which can represent in as per column wise. For example, if I want to view a product wise total gross profit earned, it will reflect me a product wise gross profit. Additionally, if I want to see how many units are sold, I can also see. If you can see, it is reflecting as per column wise. For example, if I add a region also in the same chart, if I want to add a region, it will add a new column and it will show me a region wise total gross profit earned and unit. It is created a multiple lines. For that, if I want to view a report as per multiple criteria, I need to use a matrix table. For that, I need to click on blank canvas and click on matrix. If in case I will select the same table and click on matrix, it will apply the logic on the same table. That's the reason. Let's undo the process and click on a blank canvas. So it will create a new charts, new visualization. Let's select and click on matrix. It has created a new area. Now here I will add in row label first product. I want a product, and in product I want to view total gross profit, and now I want to see this report as per region wise. So I'll drag the region in column area. So if you can see this report in the first table, when I insert region, it is created a one new column and create a multiple lines. But in matrix table, it is worked as a pivot table and created view for me where I can view each category of product as per region wise. Now let's go to the another one, create another visualization. For that, I will select a stack bar chart, and I want to reflect a product wise gross profit. In bar chart, it is showing me the product wise gross profit. And now let's create a funnel chart. Click on a blank canvas, click on funnel chart. In funnel chart, I want to view a total revenue and total cost of goods sold and total gross profit. If you can see, it is giving me the overall result of how many total revenue earned and how many cost of goods sold, and the actual gross profit is 22% of overall total revenue. I also view this by a gag chart. I will add one more chart, gag chart, in which I want to view a percent of gross profit. So if you can see, it will show me the percentage of gross profit. I want to create few more charts. For that, I will create a one new sheet. Here I want to represent a waterfall chart. In waterfall chart, I want to present total sales as per fiscal period wise, total gross profit. It will show me the overall profit earned as per quarter wise. And the next, I want to view a pie chart. In pie chart, I want to see a region-wise gross profit. For that, I just need to select region from a sales representative tab and gross profit. Now I will create one more donut chart. In donut chart, I want to represent gross profit earned by sales representative. For that, I will select a sales representative and total gross profit. It will give me the overall result. Now we have covered most of the charts. Let's rename the sheet name. Here we have represented a gross profit, by product, and the second one we have created gross profit by region. We can also add a slicer. This is a slicer button. Just select blank canvas and click on slicer. In slicer, I will select a region, and I will add one more slicer. Of sales representative. I've created two slicer here, and in the first report, I want to represent a slicer for product. I will add a slicer, and I want to reflect as by product. Now from this first table, I will remove the extra field of total unit and region. And I will adjust the size, and I will move this slicer below. Here in the first report, we have seen a table where we have taken a product and represent product wise total gross profit. We have added a matrix table. In matrix table, we have seen a region wise product gross profit. We have added a chart, bar chart, which represent a product wise gross profit. Added funnel chart, which represent total revenue, total cost of goods sold, and total gross profit. We have added a gag chart, which represent a percentage of gross profit from overall total revenue. Now, the second report, we have represented a gross profit by region, in which we have seen a waterfall chart in which we have represented a total gross profit by fiscal period. Waterfall chart is represent an increment by every year, every quarter. The same way, if you can see the total amount, it will be a same as overall fiscal year quarter. We have additionally created a total gross profit by region, a pie chart, one donut chart, which represent a sales representative wise gross profit, a pie chart represent as per region wise. We have added two slicer of region wise and sales representative wise. So on selection of a slicer, overall other charts will be changed. So if I select region of Midwest, if you can see, it will represent in our pie chart and donut chart and waterfall chart of the data of gross profit by region of Midwest. You also can view My particular sales representative name will give data for only particular sales representative range as per region wise. If you click on this button, it will clear the selection. Same, we have added one slicer of product.